Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling JB's Grill. Victor speaking. How may I assist you?
Hello, I would like to make a reservation, please, for tomorrow's evening at exactly 7 p.m. for 6 person.
Of course, ma'am. Please allow me to put you on hold, ma'am, so I can check if there's a availability for your reservation.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. I apologize for keeping you waiting. Yes, we have available seat on tomorrow's evening at exactly 7 p.m.
Great.
Will the reservation be under your name, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Could you please spell out the name for me, ma'am?
All right, it's CAPARIDA.
May I request the cell phone number, ma'am?
Sure, it's 0949-143-0017.
Zero nine. Okay. May I ask if there's any special event celebrated?
It's a birthday celebration.
Oh, I see. Advance happy birthday. I have an offer for you, ma'am. Would you like to avail it also? We have a special birthday menu, so if you would like, I can also reserve that for you. Is that okay?
Yes, please. That sounds convenient.
Copy that, ma'am. So let me just confirm your reservation, ma'am. So it would be tomorrow's evening at exactly 7 p.m. And also you also reserved the special birthday menu. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Please take note that the table are held for 15 minutes past before the reservation time.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Miss Florida. We look forward to seeing you at Jesus Grill tomorrow. Goodbye.